Take a look. Let's go ahead. Oh, that's the sausage. It's not the pizza. Don't worry about. The bomb of flavor. I mean, take a look. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, from Maestro VITO IACOPELLI. We are here in the sunny Arizona, not California, Arizona. It's very hot today, so I had to make this fantastic video with a nice smoky barbecue. So this is an amazing, outstanding barbecue. So as soon as I saw this, I said I have to make the pizza. I have to make the pizza, and then I'm gonna make the best pizza. Yes, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make the real Neapolitan pizza cooking in the barbecue. And yes, it's gonna be in Italian and in English. Ciao amici miei, siamo in Arizona. Questo caldo, il sole mi bacia. Wow. Oh, torniamo. Facciamo una bella pizza napoletana cotta nel barbecue. Uno dei migliori barbecue al mondo. Okay, this recipe is very simple. We need a nice polish from 24 hours. This is made with 200 grams of water, 200 grams of flour, and 5 grams of yeast. 200 milligrams of room temperature water, 400 grams of 00 flour, 15 grams of sea salt. First thing, we put the water. Second thing, we need to put our polish. So now, with our hands, we need to melt it the max as possible. You see the water is white. We are ready to add the salt. Let's put the salt, and let's try to melt a little bit the salt together with our mix. And now, little by little, we add the flour. Just like that. No? So now we're gonna make the dough. Okay, now we have put all the flour. We need to make the mix. We're gonna mix it up until is everything integrated. We are ready to go ahead and try to work the dough on the counter. This way is more easy. Guys, now 15 minutes passed by, and did you see the dough is all together, but it's not nice. It's not nice and smooth like I want to. So what I do to make it really smooth is very easy. I get the container that I was making the dough again, and then I just leave it inside here. We get a humid towel and we cover our dough and we let it rest for about 30 minutes at room temperature. Let's go ahead and let's open up. You see the dough, it's getting smooth. The wet towel we don't need anymore. Now gently, let's get it. Let's take it out and put it on the counter. Now you'll see that it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna become more smooth. You see? It's becoming very smooth. So now we're gonna go ahead and make the balls. We're gonna make about, when you make the balls, it's like this. Take a look. The goal, remember, was to make it really, really smooth. And here you go, the ball. Done. Nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and let's make more. And we're gonna make the balls 260 grams each. So what I'm doing is I'm closing the inside, just like that, and the dough balls are ready. Okay, so now we need a sheet pan, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and put the dough balls just like that. 1, 2, and 3. Now what I like to do is to put just a little bit of olive oil on top of the crust. This way the plastic wrap is not gonna stick. There we go. We massage the dough nicely. Okay, now let's close it. Really, really tight. I'm gonna make it really tight. There we go. Now we let it rest at room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours. Depends the room temperature that you have. If it's hot, like here in Arizona, we're gonna wait probably 2 hours. Let's see what is gonna happen. Let's wait. Okay, let's talk about this barbecue. It's an amazing barbecue from Pit Boss. This side, this is a wood burning grill, and This side is the where I'm going to use it with a gas grill, amazing, very easy. This is a little bit more complicated. I'm going to show you in a different way, in a different time. And this side, this is a full smoker oven, amazing grill, guys. This is outstanding. And then you can find this on the link below. Pit Boss Barbecue. Yes, hope that Pit Boss will see this video because it's going to be very special, unique. Yeah, come here, come here. Come here, Pit Boss. I'll show you what kind of pizza we're gonna make. Look at this barbecue. Take a look at this barbecue. Wow, nice and smoky. Look at this. The barbecue is nice and hot. Ok guys, the first thing to do here, amici seguitemi per questo è molto importante. The first thing to do here in this, to make the pizza and barbecue, you have to have a pizza stone. This is used, of course, by this clean. So we're gonna put it in the barbecue. We need to place the pizza stone on the left side, and of course, this left side here, we need to put at the minimum. Left and middle side at the minimum. Now that we have the pizza stone inside the barbecue, we need to close it and make sure we need to warm it up for about 30 minutes or so. This way the pizza stone gets hot and we are able to cook nicely and the bottom of the pizza. This way we are going to have an amazing pizza napoletana. In the meantime, let's go ahead and let's get ready with all the ingredients. Let's go. The oven is getting hot. Pizza stone is in there, the sausage is there. We got the peel, we got the rosemary, we got everything that we need. And there we go, the dough is nicely done. Only after 2 hours with the heat here of Arizona was enough, only 2 hours. L'impasto soltanto dopo 2 ore è pronto. It's very important that you need to have all the ingredients ready before making the pizzas. Okay, so that's what we have here. We got some fresh tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, we got some rosemary because we're gonna make something special with the sausage, and we got some fresh basil. Today I'm going to show you how to make the classic regular cheese pizza margherita. So let's go ahead, let's get into this video right away. Try to take just the one that you wanna take. So in this case, we're gonna take this lovely dough. Take a look, oh my God. We have a mix of semolina. We have a mix of semolina and flour, stick. Put some flour on the bottom, and then let's go ahead and let's put the dough. Take a look, amazing. This is how you stretch the dough. See, the dough is full of air. Just press the air to the crust. Boom. Flip it over one time. Make sure it's not sticky. Then boom, you turn it. We press, and now with your right hand, you press, left hand, you pull. Done, just like that. Simply touch the dough like you touch a woman. Done. 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 Right hand you press, left hand you pull. Done. Take off all the flour, and then let's put the pizza. The perfect thing to do here is to go ahead and pre-cook the dough without ingredients, because for sure it's gonna cook slowly. This is a little trick that nobody tells you. Let's go ahead and let's put it in the barbecue. To put the pizza in the barbecue, but before we're gonna check the stone that we put it before. So when you check it out, it's about it's 450 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna go ahead and place the dough on the pizza stone. Let's go ahead and let's place the pizza right in front of the right on top of the pizza stone. Now let's close it right away, and now we raise the middle part. We raise at the max temperature, only the middle part. The left side, keep like this. The middle and the right one needs to be at the max temperature. Okay guys, in the meantime, I'm gonna cook some special sausage. Of course, I'm gonna cook it in the barbecue. Be careful, the pizza is cooking. So let's place the sausage right there, because this is for the next pizza. I'm not gonna make a classic margherita. I'm gonna make a classic for myself. Oh my God, guys, I saw some smoking coming out from this barbecue. Look at this, take a look. Let's go ahead. Oh, that's the sausage, it's not the pizza, don't worry about cooking the sausage. The pizza is ready for the second step. Let's take it and let's go ahead right here again, and we're gonna finish this pizza with a nice fresh mozzarella. There we go. This is a classic cheese pizza. I'm not gonna make it too fancy. The next one that I'm gonna make is gonna be so special. Can't wait to show you. Now, what I like to do is to put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of olive oil on top of the crust too. Just like that. On the crust. And we are ready to go ahead and cook the pizza. The pizza will be done when the mozzarella is melted. So let's go ahead and let's put the pizza. So now we can raise the temperature at the max on the left side. The flame at the max, everything, all three. And now don't open anymore. Let me check just the sausage. I think the sausage is nicely ready. Let's take it out. I'll make some special juicy. Wow. Nicely. We can put it right here because this one, I'm gonna make a special one. So the second one, the second pizza is made with some sausage. We're gonna make a white pizza, some sausage and some rosemary. Let's go ahead and let's make it. So the pizza there is cooking. So let's go ahead and let's make the next one. Wow, oh my God, every time I see this dough, I get it way simply. Let's go ahead and let's dump it in the flour, just like that. There we go. So now let's stretch this pizza up. Guys, if you want to see more videos about how to stretch the pizza, just visit my channel. It's outstanding, no secrets. This one, we're gonna make a little bit of olive oil as a base. Put some fresh rosemary just on top, nice for the smell. And then we get our sausage. This is a special sausage. This is a Tunisian merguez sausage. Amazing. My uncle is from Tunisia. He got this special sausage, so I had to make this. My uncle is right here, back here, is looking, he's waiting for the pizza. Show him. Fai vedere. He's waiting for the pizza. La pizza arriva, non ti preoccupare, dai. Everybody's waiting for the pizza right here. Okay, so let's check out the pizza before here. Okay, nicely. Nice. Cooking nicely. Beautiful. Just wait. Okay, this pizza, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit there, and then when the pizza is cooked, we're gonna go ahead and place this one. And we take one out and we put one in. Pizza is nicely ready. Fantastic. It's nicely done. Voila. Guys, take a look of this crust. Come out. Wow. Soft. Fluffy. Oh, don't get, let's go back. Let's go back. We're gonna make the other one. So let's close. It's very important that you close. Let's take this one. Okay, done with this. Let's put a little bit of pepper on top. Pepper, top of the pizza. Let's make it and let's put it in the oven. Get everything. Very important that you close the barbecue right away or it's gonna lose all the heat. Now, let's get our pizza here and we're gonna cut it. So let's cut the pizza. Wow, it's soft, guys, so soft, so fluffy. They come out really good. You got the charge like a wood burning oven, and now is the time to see the crust. Take a look. Nice, soft. It holds really well. Let's check out the bottom. Check the bottom out. I don't even see it, only you. It looks good. Okay, and it's the time. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit because it's too hot. Let's check the other one. Oh, I didn't finish this pizza, guys. I didn't finish. I almost forgot my basil. Let's put some basil on top. And done. Basil, a little bit of olive oil. And the pizza is ready. Take a look. Please, round of applause. In this case, round of likes. Guys, it's made in the barbecue. Take a look at this Pit Boss. Pit Boss pizza. Oh, okay. I like to put a little bit pepper here too. Voila. Now let's check the other one. I'm gonna wait with that. Oh, take a look. It's cooking much better now because, of course, the stone is a little more hot. You get it out, and we now, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and add the fresh mozzarella. Take a look at this crust, oh man. Let's put some fresh mozzarella. I can't wait to taste these two pizzas because this is probably my first time ever making a Neapolitan pizza like this good. Let's go ahead and let's cook it in the oven again. Voila. Right away. Boom. Let's close it. Let's wait. Okay guys, the pizza. Wow. Nicely cooked. I think this one cooked better than the other one because everything was it's more hot. So let's go ahead and let's cut this one too. Put it right there. Oh, listen to the crunch. Oh my gosh. Woo! Nicely hot. Wow. Sì, questa qua tu mo ti devi emozionare a mangiare. Devi avere una... Go on me, go on me. Go on me. You gotta have... When you, lo dico un attimino in inglese. Go ahead, yeah. You gotta have a explosion of flavors. An explosion of emotions. Because when you put love in the food, that's what you get. Yeah, take a look. You can explode. Allora vieni qua, vieni ad assaggiare la pizza, vieni. Vieni qua, vieni. Okay, he's shy, he doesn't want to come. Take a look at this pizza. We got this sausage from Tunisia. This is a merguez sausage. Yeah, this is nice cook on the bottom, a little bit more well done because the pizza stone was in the barbecue too long, but I like it like this. Outstanding, I have to say. Outstanding. Wow. I'm gonna finish this pizza with my family nicely, little by little. Okay guys, now it's time to taste this pizza. Wow. Let me put it right here 1 second. This is a bomb of a flavor. I mean, take a look.
Oh my
Pizza
god!
bagnata, pizza fortunata.
What did
Oh my
you do?
God! You got this on the camera? Guys, I'm sorry. This was not planned. Oh my God! I mean, this one. I was about, man.
Oh my god!
This was not on the plan, guys.
Don't forget!
I put too close this barbecue. Che fate? Il barbecue troppo più. I mean, this is what happens when the food is too good. That's what happens when the food is too good. Oh my God! Enjoy this pizza. Wow. Wow.
Oh my god, he fell in the pool!
Guys, I have to go show everything. I have to go dry out, guys. Thank God, luckily the pizza didn't come. Luckily the pizza didn't fall. Oh my God. Anyway, enjoy guys. Enjoy guys. Thank you so much for watching, please. Thumbs up, at least for my clothes. And subscribe. Iscrivetevi. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.
Quando il riposo Narcisetto a Tocino